Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable zooming using the volume button on your Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. This option allows you to easily and quickly control the zoom level by simply using the volume up or down button, instead of using the screen or other controls. Follow my steps and make it easier for yourself to capture perfect photos and videos. So here's what you need to do. First, open the camera app on your phone. Once the camera app is open, find the gear icon and tap on it to open the camera settings page. Once in the settings, you need to find the shooting methods option. Scroll down and when you see it, tap on it to open it. In this section, you will see various options that allow you to customize your shooting method. You will find an option called Press Volume Button to. Tap on it, and then in the pop-up window that appears, tap on the option Zoom in or out. After you activate this option, go back to the camera, and you can try using the volume button to zoom in or out. And that's all for this short video. I hope it was helpful and that you have successfully enabled the zooming feature using the volume button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.